guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be creating a look. I'm using this palette, and it was a friend of mine who got this for me, and I haven't used it since she got it for me. So it's the ColorPop Blue Moon palette, and this is how it looks. It looks gorgeous. I'm gonna start with Clued In, and that's the dark one at the bottom. Got some crease marks on here, but don't worry, that's just the crease doing what it does. So I already primed my eyelid. I already applied some primer on that. That should really get that color popping. It looks slightly darker on. I wonder if it's changing color. I think it is. It's changing color because of the concealer, but that's okay. You can keep building and that really will bring off the color. It's changing it to green. So that's fine. Blending that into my crease. So the next thing on the list, I feel like I should go for Tide Pool, and that's just above the one I just used. So this one. Just popping that on there. I wanted to go on with Billie Jean, which is that one in the middle, but I think I'm gonna go with Lumi. So it's a reflective shade. It looks white, but it actually comes off a different color. So I just pat and then just take that into the blue that I already had on there. So it's like a gradient effect. Okay, this is what we're looking like. So I'm gonna get a clean brush and just blend into the crease. So now, this is a lot of blue going on over here. So what I want to do is take another clean brush and just blend this upwards. Just going back in with that brush. Just gonna put the one right outside. What I'm doing, I'm just tapping it. I'm not blending, I'm not pushing anything in, I'm just tapping. Just using one of the brushes that I use to apply my face powder, and that further just acts as a transition color. So Fine China, which is this fine looking blue right here, right next to Clued In, underneath right here. Starry Eyed. So I'm using the Illamasqua Precision Gel Liner, and I'm going to use this really skinny brush to just build the liner. So I'm done with the liner now, and what I did was literally just blend out these bits just at the end, again just to smoothing it out and take it to where the liner stops, and then using that same brush that I use in my face powder just to diffuse it a little bit, just because I don't want it to just stand out. So there we go. So I'm just gonna sweep that powder. Next up, I'm just gonna go and contour my face. So contouring, I'm using my Bobbi Brown Warm Chestnut Sheer Finish Pressed Powder. Just because. Next, bronzer, Fenty Beauty Miimii. Taking that over where I have already contoured. It's just fun stuff, isn't it? And blusher. And I'm going to apply my blush. I think I'm just going to stick to Raisin, which is one of my favorites from MAC. So highlighter I'm using is the Pro Light Fusion from Makeup Forever. Okay, for my lips I'm using the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick. And now I'm going to put Knock On Wood. I'm just going to blend out this also. So I'm gonna put my lashes on, put my facial mist on, and I'll be right back in my final look. Okie dokie, so here is the finished look. Ooh. Okay, off camera I put on my mascara, bottom lashes, top lashes. I use both my refreshing mist for Fenty Beauty and the Morphe setting mist. So I use these two together. Off camera, what do you guys think about this look? I actually like it. It came together. It's fun, it's quirky, it's different. I hope you guys could create something of your own. You could have done something else with your look. I don't mind. Let me see. Reach out to me on socials, Instagram. You know, you can DM me your looks. Let me know what you guys have created. And let's chat. Let's chat, okay? Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. And I will see you guys in my next video.